After you've created a customer, but before you start doing anything such as adding agents or creating protection plans, you want to ensure that you have the right quota set for your customer. The way you would do that is click in the blank white space here, or you can click the three dots and click configure. That's going to bring up a dialog box on the right hand side. If you click edit at the top here, you can see workstations, servers, etc. This is where you can set a quota. So if you wanted this customer to only have the ability to have 5 workstations in the system, you would put 5 there. This would leave a soft quota. As you can see, the hard quota button is not checked. If you would like a hard quota to where absolutely the customer would have no overages and no ability to go beyond that, you could set overage to 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. You could also put a 5 there and it would give an overage of 5 for a total of 10. If you don't want any quotas, you just set everything to blank or delete the values. Hit done, and you're back in business, ready to go. Quotas for devices go all the way down through workstation servers, virtual machines, email boxes, all the way down to the advanced packs. Advanced packs are different cost. For example, advanced backup is different cost for workstation servers and virtual machines, as well as web hosting servers and Microsoft seats. So there are different options there for advanced backup that you can go through. Advanced management, advanced security, and the other advanced packs are down here. Finally, we have a quota for your location. So these can be, these are account-wide, actually. So they're not available per machine. It's the total account quota. So you can set this how you want it to be. So if you want a customer to only have 4 terabytes of usage, you can go ahead and set that in here. You could set gigabytes, megabytes, and terabytes. And then we have the advanced disaster recovery and the local backup. So that is how you would turn on and off quotas. Now, if you want to look at offerings, for example, not just the quota for advanced packs, but the actual feature themselves, you would come over here to the top to configure. Then you would choose, just like when you were creating a customer, to select and turn on or turn off the advanced packs, storage, disaster recovery, file sync and share, and more. In order to turn off the advanced packs, a quota has to not be in usage. So basically, this is grayed out because I cannot turn it off, and it will tell me when I hover over to disable this advanced pack, the quota usages of its offering items must be 0. This means I have to disable the protection plan or the quota that is being used for advanced security plus EDR. Then the box will look something like this, where then I can turn it off and then turn it on, for etc. For example. And that's how you disable and enable quotas and offering items in the Acronis console.